when you know they're lurking from a fake account.
Hello, motherfucker.
Well, that makes this video interesting.
If you're wondering how he eats and breathes and other science facts, just repeat to yourself, it's just a show. I should really just relax. For Mystery
Solves it.
Theater 3000.
Wow. The land of make-believe.
I see assholes like you every day.
Every fucking day. Think you gonna get away with it? Not up in here!
The real question is this: was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.
So what we've got here is a contempt of court charge. You're publishing to your YouTube for content because that's how you view the court. It's just content for you. Your frivolous and vexatious lawsuits are all just content for Ricky L. Pinzone. If you're new to the channel, this guy has filed 64 false copyright strikes against me, 200 plus privacy complaints. This is beyond ridiculous. Why this guy still has a channel? He has 33K subscribers but only 100 views? I mean, people have tuned him out. The people that follow him are people that just hate my guts. Can't see through what I'm trying to say is that this guy's a career criminal, felon, meth addict, paranoid schizo, mentally ill weirdo that stalks me in real life. He's gone after people that I know. He's going off this 20-year-old fucking 25-year-old news article and attacking everyone that he's associated with. I don't post. I never have in my entire life post my, my meals or where I'm at or anything on social media. I haven't done that since MySpace. I didn't do that on MySpace. But this guy somehow has figured out a way. He's intent to create harm. He's threatened to burn my windshields down.
Windshields will burn afterwards.
He thinks he's so hard, and he's a prison rat. He's the guy that sends kites to the prison staff constantly. He's the jailhouse snitch. He's the jailhouse lawyer. He's a wannabe chili. He's basically a felon that is twice convicted for narcotics and possession of weapons. And he's mad because he threatened me with weapons and then admitted that he threatened me to the FBI, and now he knows that they're watching him. So he accuses me of hacking him and all this other crazy shit. And what he's done is he vandalized property. He's wrote some hateful messages on people's property. It's not him. It's the people that he instructs in brigades to do the dirty work for him. He has a connection here in Las Vegas, somebody who's appeared on several different cameras. Hey, Javier. So I'm just sick of this dude. I'm just sick of the constant complaining. His new trick is to count how many fucks I say in a video. And report that as a sexual conduct. You said fuck way over the community guidelines limit, even though YouTube has relaxed it. I do say fuck a lot. I say fuck a lot. So fuck you, Ricky L. Pinzone. Take another fucking L. You contempt of court criminal, cop baiting career criminal.
See, I was just sitting back, letting karma handle your dumb ass, but nah, you just had to go and act like a fucking idiot. Now you forced me to step in and clean up this shit show myself. Congratulations, asshole. You just fucked up so bad that you've gone from it being a karma job to a me job. And trust me, that's the last fucking thing you want. You could have just shut the fuck up, minded your own goddamn business, and let shit slide. But no, you had to go and be an asshole running your mouth. And now I gotta step in and show you what really happens when you mess with the wrong motherfucker. Karma might be patient, but I sure as fuck ain't. And now you're about to see what a real-world ass-kicking feels like. You thought karma was slow? Wait till you see how fast I can fuck up your day. So here I am, about to clean up the shits you created, and trust me, I'm gonna enjoy every single fucking second of tearing your ass apart and handing it back to you. You brought this on yourself, motherfucker. You thought karma was bad? Wait until I'm fucking done.
Wait. So you don't have the money to pay for a court transcriber, so you're allowed to record in the courtroom because there isn't enough transcribers? What an argument. Oh, but you didn't record this, though. One of your sewer rats did.
You know, I feel very bad that your first attorney. You're trying to hear me out, sir. How come you do not see the fraud statement that she gave to the court in your own writing? She says, again, highlighted right here, now, Maybe not, I'm looking at it, sir. You know, unfortunate that both your first. It's not unfortunate. There's no fortune involved. Let me finish. I'll let you speak. It's unfortunate that your first and your second attorney didn't continue with the representation. So here's what happened. The motion for admission for the RFAs to be deemed admitted was granted by Judge Leon. The RFAs provide that the county wasn't. Those RFAs are libelous, slanderous statements that I never admitted to. I never said such things, and I never admitted that they never did. They put those words in my mouth, and they used their proprietary pleadings and technical tools that are available for lawyers to be able to misrepresent themselves and abuse unrepresented litigants. That's why I'm here in this such unfortunate circumstance. It's unfair. Mr. Gonzalez, the email sent by with Ms. Ward is her representation is that the county and the sheriff's department are one and the same, and that's true. She wasn't saying that. She doesn't say that, though. Yeah, she does. She said there's no distinction between the two, when in fact there is. But there's no difference. They provide separate services and they're separate entities, correct? All right. Then how can you dismiss the county of Los Angeles and not its employees? Oh, thank you. Ms. Ward, do you have anything you want to add for the, or do you want to direct to the attention? No, I'm sorry, I didn't see any candidate. What was the candidate? It was no pizza. Yeah. I just wanted to add that there was a different staff that can function involved. It was one by the consideration of the normal benefit. Okay, thank you. The sentiment is to deny the motion for reconsideration with this no.
Some of you may be wondering, what the fuck did I just listen to? Holy shit. That was Ricky storming out of the courtroom because he didn't get his fucking way. Like a little bitch.
These videos right here, they've already been removed. I did this shit on Christmas Day. This was my Christmas present to this motherfucker. Right here, this was my Christmas present. And I had nothing better to do for Christmas.
37 false copyright strikes.
I sure did. I sure did.
Lost all of
Hell yeah. Like 10 of them on Christmas morning. Merry Christmas, bitch. I sure did. I sure did. I hope your fucking lungs fall out of your asshole. Fuck your mother, Mitchell. You lying about your mother and cancer. I hope you get it.
Why?
Windshields will burn afterwards.
Really?
Look,
Interesting.
how your windshields would burn afterwards.
Now, the overall consensus is that you cannot record inside a courtroom without the judge's approval or awareness that you are recording. We went through this with other auditors and frauditors, but they seem to be stuck on this, that I'm indigent and I'm practicing law without a license, so believe me. Ricky Pinzone has a long history of harassing and threatening people online who have anything to do with me. Here's an example of one of the times I blocked him. And then he writes this. Oh no! Edited out. This is not Ricky, far from it. My name, full name, edited out. Make sure you look both ways before crossing the street up in North Highlands. I heard cars drive real fast up there. Also, if you need an Uber from where I live, well, I mean, you know, this is the guy that says Asian American hate and all that crap. He says that he's not Mr. Kang. Right? And I could tell right away who this guy was, this threatening to run me over if I crossed the street in North Highlands, a place I haven't lived since 1993. And then I go to his page and look what I find. Officer King, huh? You got a beef with Officer King? So this is a sock that he created so that he could get around being blocked.
What the fuck? Shit. God damn it. Shit. The fuck? Man, goddamn.
So Ricky Pinzone is somebody who's been stalking me for like 7 years. Says he wanted to sock me up. He wanted to take me to court and do all this nefarious things. Filed 64 false copyright complaints, over 200 privacy complaints. They pay him to do it. It's weird. I don't know this guy. He filed a sexual assault restraining order. I've never met this guy. I've never reached out to him. I blocked him on all social media. If you're new here, it's worth a deep dive. It's an ugly dive, but yeah, this dude is fucking weird.
Don't fuck with me, fellas! This ain't my first time at the rodeo.
Yeah, Ricky Pinzone seems to think that if you record in the courtroom and you're poor, you have every right to, because transcripts are expensive and it's not justice for poor people. This is the kind of soft sit guru travel boat fucking bullshit like that these people are on about. But this dude is fucking wrong, and he's had a history of fucking recording police and history of recording inside the courtroom, which is illegal.
You cannot find me in that federal jurisdiction listed under Title 28 the United States Code 3002-15A, a federal corporation. Also found in 26 U.S.C. 7701, 9 and 10, state. Shall construe to be a District of Columbia, and any district, and you have an acting district sitting over here with the personal interest of representing these matters.
No, sorry, the US is not a corporation in the way you want it to be. The United States is a federal corporation, and that differs greatly from a commercial corporation. There are several definitions to define corporation. Sovereign citizens just pick the definition that suits them and then discard the ones that don't.
You both own a bar. You both hold a California Bar Association card. You both pay a membership fee to the same corporation. I'm not a part of your corporation, and I don't owe the corporation a promise. I owe no man on earth a promise.
Plus 120,000. ¿Qué pasó?
I don't want a lawyer. A lawyer brings me into your jurisdiction. No, thank you.
That's not how it works. That's not how any of this works.
All right. And so we're here to not guilty plea or guilty plea. How would you like to prove that? I'm not pleading. Plead means to beg, and in a emotional sense, I'm not here to beg or plead with you.
See, there you go again, you're using the wrong definition. Pleading law means to state formally in court whether one is guilty or not guilty of the offence with which one is charged.
So feel free to call the Pomona courthouse and let them know that one of their constituents, somebody who's practicing law without a license, is recording in the courtroom without permission of the judge.
You're making yourself look really dumb.
Man, this was supposed to be fun. I don't feel fun. I feel sad.
So if it's for the lack of court reporters that you have the right to record in a courtroom with your thing for your own personal use, then why are you publishing it to YouTube? Is it to make content?
Some people are really fucking stupid. Did you ever notice that? How many really stupid people you run into during the day? God damn, there's a lot of stupid bastards walking around.
Now he's going to make excuses for wasting the court's time and recording his court cases.
First of all, let's be clear that this video is not about crying about any decision. This video is about educating and pointing out the facts. You see, there's some things that take place in these civil proceedings against self-represented litigants that they don't want the rest of the outside world to see. The inside self-dealing business swindles of the corruption. And flat on its face, no one can really comprehend it. And I'm not saying that I entirely comprehend it myself.
What the fuck?
Because I'm not a trained professional. But I can tell you, I'm intelligent enough to follow the leads and do the factual research in the background.
With all due respect, and remember, I'm saying with all due respect, that idea ain't worth a velvet painting of a whale and a dolphin getting it on.
So, during the proceeding, a motion for reconsideration and unlimited civil case action for a personal injury.
My shoulder is dislocated, literally. It's hurting me very badly. I'm in pain all the time. See this arm, this is as far as I can reach it. Same with this side over here.
There will come a payday, hallelujah, what a payday. There will come a payday someday, someday. There will come a payday, hallelujah, what a payday. There will come a payday someday.
Emotional, damn it!
In the wrong way on the street, in the middle of the road.
So you get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.
This personal injury involves a government vehicle and a government entity who failed to provide for the statutes and abide by them.
Wow! The land of make-believe!
And because he didn't abide by them, he caused harm to me and personal injury and damage to my property.
One, you are one dumb son of a bitch.
And not only did he not follow that statute that was designed to protect, he violated additional statutes that were designed to protect for the very same purpose, such as identifying yourself during a vehicle accident.
I've ate here at this cafe, bomb-ass food. Bomb. Fuck. Damn. I'm pull over or what? I just fucking rear-ended this car and fucking right here. Pull over! Pull over! It's taking too long. I'm trying to go. Sorry.
Or having a statutory requirement for utilizing your lights and sirens during a motor vehicle code 3 response.
In the wrong way on the street, in the middle of the road.
This just in, a recent study has proven that 100% of me doesn't give a fuck.
And the necessary requirements to take evasive actions to avoid collisions with pedestrians and others on the roadway who have a right within themselves to be there.
In the wrong way on the street, in the middle of the road.
And the statutory provision is you must adhere to the statute in order to be protected from immunity or by immunity. So the overall point of this is it comes down to abuse of discretion, and they love the site. Rapalea v. Campbell, 1994.
Mm-hmm. You're learning so many important things, and I'm so proud of you.
Supreme Court ruling. However, they don't disclose all of the important greedy stuff that's all about them in the very same citation.
You make me happy.
Rapalea v. Campbell, 1994. It comes down to the exception of abuse of discretion.
This cannot be real life. It just can't.
Where they exercise their apparent authority and flash their I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in all the state courts of California and all the federal courts and blah, blah, blah. And then here comes the first lie.
I love it when people get offended by the shit I post. It's a joke, hun. Like your life. Now fuck off.
See, this is disturbing because Ricky Pinzone thinks that he can just file all these motions and flood the court the same way he does with YouTube. He doesn't get his way. He's going to exhaust all the reporting tools and everything else and file frivolous motions and constantly tie up the court. And they have to entertain them. By law, they have to entertain him. And he files in form of papyrus where he doesn't have to pay if he loses, and they grant him this. He's proven over and over again that he's a vexatious litigant, he's frivolous litigant, and he just continues to file motion after motion after motion after motion like a crybaby. Just I don't understand how anyone could look at this guy and be like, and take him seriously. But these courts, I guess this is his last stretch that he's gonna prove to everyone that he can get you out of he can get you out of trouble because he's practicing law without a license. But yet if he loses, he doesn't have to pay anything. Like, there should be consequences for bringing frivolous and vexatious lawsuits, and he doesn't seem to face any of these consequences, and he just continues to waste the court's time, and that's why he owes $1,892 fucking dollars, because he's a dumbass.
Stupid people think they're smart now. Stupid people used to know they were stupid. Remember back in the day, you'd be talking about some deep shit, and you'd throw it to your friend Dave, he'd be like, I don't fucking know, I'm fucking stupid. No one says that shit anymore. Now stupid people think that because they watch the news for 6 hours every day, that now they're super smart. But all they really did was watch the same 15 minutes 37 goddamn times. Yeah, and they're so fucking stupid they don't even get it. They're deep into hour 3, just fucking riveted. And when stupid people think they're smart, they start saying their dumbass opinions in public.
I have firsthand knowledge by the records of my department that keeps in the course of the ordinary business. However they say it, something along those lines.
Some people are really fucking stupid. Did you ever notice that? How many really stupid people you run into during the day? God damn, there's a lot of stupid bastards walking around.
But the fact is, this statement is a fraudulent statement because it's in fact second and third hand knowledge that's hearsay provisions that you're just a borrowed employee from another branch of the same agency appearing to interfere with contractual agreement to prevent
Word
an injured
salad.
person from going before the judge and providing evidence and proving up to the judge.
Okay, so you know what I just heard? Blah, 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 blah.
That the injury actually in fact happened. But instead, since there's so much at stake for you, you have to lie your whole way through it.
And I said that you can't always get what you want, honey. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want.
And because you know, as this general order says, you know there's no record of it because there's a court absence of court reporters available.
Fuck off.
So as it says, just 6 years ago, our Supreme Court warned that the absence of a court reporter at trial court proceedings
This was a disgrace.
and the resulting lack of a verbatim record of such proceedings
This cannot be real life. It just can't.
will frequently be fatal to the litigant's ability to appeal. Holy shit. So I asked,
What a stupid question that is. What a stupid question. But I watch you a lot. You ask a lot of stupid questions.
citing this General Order 11 that just issued, if it could be recorded, since there's no shorthand reporter present.
Some people are really fucking stupid.
The audacity of this so-called honorable judge is not even elected but appointed to the seat.
Some people are really fucking stupid.
To fulfill the empty, vacant bench.
Some people are really fucking stupid.
Of their little plague of corruption sitting over there in Pomona Courthouse.
Some people are really fucking stupid.
And allow the trenches of the dirty, pragmatic protagonist nonsense that they call legal reasoning or the ratio decidendi bullshit that they use to abuse you with their subterfuges and stratagems.
Word salad.
And it's just significantly to chill the litigant's enjoyment of the fundamental protections of the right to appeal, and they know it.
Grab the children!
See, California is not even constitutionally required to establish avenues of appellate review, but...
Fuck him. Fuck him.
It is now fundamental that, once established, these avenues must be kept free of unreasoned distinctions that can only impede open and equal access to the courts, like a represented individual without having any representation. It's just a mirage of lies that is just built up in a burdensome conflict of interest with a limited liability partnership in connection with property. See, these avenues must be kept free of unreasoned distinctions.
This.
Be nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to find it?
It does.
And this general order too reflects the need for procedures that promote equal access to fundamental protections of the right to appeal. The Los Angeles Superior Court can no longer reliably staff its courtroom with court-employed certified shorthand reporters.
You ain't got no backbone. I get out the trap, I ain't got a trap phone. I got P's and M's and K's and O's.
Wait a minute. This is an omission of a fact. This is negligence on the part of Los Angeles Superior Court. They have an obligation and a duty to provide.
Go fuck yourself.
Reliable staff for its courtroom, and they admit right here that they are incapable of doing so.
People going, you can't say that. You can. I did.
And the vast number of litigants are left without a verbatim transcript, and the reason it's a vast number.
Blaming other people cause you act like a bitch when it's nobody's fault but yours.
Is because the state abuses them by the vast number of victims. Believe it or not, you just haven't fell victim to one of them yet, have you? Well, anyway, any verbatim transcript of the record of what occurred during a hearing may have profound impact on their rights and their lives.
It's not about money. It's about sending a message.
So, this court held more than 332,000 hearings for which there was no verbatim transcript of proceedings with the parties.
So Ricky Pinzon believes that he should be able to be indigent and not pay any money, but still practice law and bring frivolous lawsuits, a vexatious litigant who has no grounds in anything, has not proven anything to the courts of any wrongdoing, but he can like file repeatedly over and over again motions when he's looking up to people like myself who have had lawyers never file motions. You're an idiot.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick. And I'll be damned if I let you tear it down just because you don't like the way another nigga talk.
And the appellate rights accordingly, and they were limited. Wow.
Very demure, very considerate, very approachable, very demure. Very natural, very approachable, very demure. Let's be mindful and remember to be demure, ladies.
This is ugly, 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 ugly.
So, I had to go.
Controversy. This here is the secretary's.
Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
Dirty affair that she hopes you never discover. So.
Anything should happen to you, I don't know what I would do. I'd probably move on and get another replica, but there'd be a 10-minute period there when I would just be inconsolable.
I hope I just shared a little bit of things with you here. And I'm not providing you legal advice or...
What are you, fucking nuts?
Telling you I'm giving you legal information or legal education.
You gotta be grateful. You need haters. What the fuck is you complaining about? What the fuck do you think a hater's job is? To fucking hate. So let them motherfuckers do their goddamn job. What the fuck is you complaining about? If there's any haters in here right now that don't have nobody to hate on, feel free to hate on me.
I'm providing you public available information.
Listen up, you fucking worthless, backstabbing pieces of shit. I'm calling out every last one of you fucking users, fake-ass, self-centered, lying, backstabbing scumbags who think you can fucking manipulate and screw people over without facing the consequences. Think again, you delusional fucks. You're nothing but a bunch of cowardly, conniving pieces of garbage so low you'd need a ladder to kiss the devil's ass. You're like the herpes of humanity, irritating, persistent, and impossible to get rid of. You thrive on spreading lies, creating chaos, and destroying everything good around you. We're done with your games, your endless lies, your fake smiles, and your fucked up manipulations. You've burned every bridge and destroyed every relationship, and now you're officially the most hated people in the room. But hey, at least you are #1 at something, right? You're a cancer infecting everything you touch, and it's high time you realize just how hated you are. The only thing you've proven is that evolution can go in reverse. So go ahead, keep fucking up everyone's lives and spreading your toxic filth. Don't be surprised when you end up abandoned, loathed, and despised by every single person you've ever wronged. Your days of screwing over good people are over. So fuck you, fuck your lies, and fuck every single thing about you, you pathetic, miserable, fake pieces of shit.
That is available for you to access publicly for free. You only have to research for it, read it, apply yourself to it.
So what did you need exactly?
Yes, I mean, I don't understand how, charge me for public property pertaining to my personal appearance in this matter. And then I also don't understand the dishonest statement on record of the Judge Hudson saying that I entered a plea of not guilty.
Okay, there you go. You can file a copyright claim now, Ricky. There you go, because you don't understand fair use and how we're having a conversation. Dre and I are having a separate conversation about the cost of living, right? And streaming. and Ricky's having a conversation with the county clerk here, or with the courthouse clerk, about how stupid he is and how his stupid should be allowed to proceed. Yeah, file a fucking privacy complaint, Ricky. Make sure you do it on Van Valiant. No, don't. He doesn't do that to Tones. He doesn't do that to Radical. He doesn't do it to Van Valiant. He doesn't do it to Artie, right? Only me and channels that I'm associated to. Like White Rabbit. Like he basically scared the piss out of White Rabbit. White Rabbit just... And Ricky, what's with the fucking rabbit ears? Dude, quit sexualizing me, you weirdo.
I did not enter a plea of not guilty. I did not enter or plead with anyone.
By entering a not guilty plea on your behalf, the judge is actually protecting your rights to a fair trial. You're just too ignorant to realise that.
Okay, you can talk to the public defender's office on the 3rd floor, because we weren't in court with you. You were there.
Well, the public defender's office is not representing me in these matters. No, this public defender's office is not representing me in these matters.
Are you representing yourself?
Huh?
Are you representing yourself in pro per?
I don't hear you.
I mean, it's funny how we can hear some questions, but not others. I mean, I'm not saying he doesn't have a hearing problem. I'm just saying that his hearing ability seems to be a factor when asked questions he doesn't like and not when.
Right, and this is all I've ever said. Ricky likes to turn this into like, oh, you're making fun of me because I can't hear. Nah, Ricky, that sucks if you can't hear. That fucking sucks. I fucking feel for you. Man, you can't hear none of the beats I've ever produced. You can't hear none of that drum and bass. You can't hear that fucking low end, fucking under fucking 1K. Oh, shit. Fuck, that sucks. So why are you paying any attention to me? Yeah, it's fucked up, but you hear everything. You could hear that fucking alarm ringing them fucking, oh shit, I had this joke set up and I don't now. Oh, I had it set up. Oh, bear with me, folks, bear with me.
Clock can, motherfucker.
You can't hear that fucking fry machine. Beep, 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 beep. You can't do that. They're eating the cats. They're eating the dogs. Oh, Van Balen's waking up this morning like, why in the fuck is this guy still bringing up this old-ass video?
Factor when asked questions he doesn't like and not when it's a question he likes.
Well, I'm gonna keep this copy. I'm pretty sure you can pull it back up. I'm gonna keep this copy because this is factually handed to me by the clerk of the court. And this statement that's made that says the defendant entered plea of guilty, I did not enter any plea. This is an incorrect, materially false statement, and it is qualifiable for disqualifying a judge in his judiciary capacity by adjudicating the subject.
So, like I've already said, the judge is not adjudicating you by entering a not guilty plea. He's actually protecting your rights to a fair trial.
God. So
This
dumb.
is incorrect and informal behavior of the court rules.
What the hell is a dumb?
Where does it say you plead guilty? Where does it say that at?
I didn't, Judge Hudson.
No, show me that on there where it says you plead guilty. That's not-
Yeah. Well, go, bitch. Go. Show me on that way. Say that.
I can't stand a dumb ass fucking liar. How you gonna be dumb and a fucking liar at the same motherfucking time, bitch? If you gonna be a liar, at least be a good one. At least make the lie make sense, dummy. You dumb and a liar? Pick a fucking struggle. Damn.
Oh, you gonna misconstrue that, right? Like, oh, yeah. I've had enough of your shit. YouTube has had enough of your shit. I've had enough of your shit.
37 false copyright strikes.
I sure did. I sure did.
Lost all of them.
Hell yeah.
Oh,
like
man.
10 of them on Christmas morning. Merry Christmas, bitch.
Feeling.
I sure did. I sure did.
I say that, sir. It doesn't say you plead guilty.
The judge, well, I mean, he's making a false claim saying that I entered a plea.
Where it says you plead guilty.
I'm not.
It clearly states that
Just,
you pled
at no point did I ever make a plea to the judge. I told the judge that I wasn't here to plead, and the definition of plead is to beg an emotional sense of distress.
Guilty, 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 guilty.
Wow, this guy really does just look up the first definition of a word he finds and then just runs with it. And people are calling this guy a genius in his comment section.
You finished?
That's the definition of plea. And I don't owe a plea to any human being or any one corporation or customer on the face of the earth.
Ain't too proud to beg.
I mean, by your...
And this just in, you can go fuck yourself.
Codified rule in your California Constitution.
Codified.
Article 1, Section 1. It says all people by nature are free and have certain inalienable rights, which are inherent and cannot be deprived without due process.
I mean, I'm sorry. I'm trying to process a tremendous amount of insane information.
Oh!
Will you make up your mind? You're either a citizen or not. First, you're not a 14th Amendment citizen under the Constitution, but then you want all the protections the California Constitution gives you as a citizen. You can't pick and choose what applies to you and what doesn't. I feel sorry for the court clerk being subjected to this constant whining.
So, this statement here is directly making a violating act against my trust in my estate.
Blur out the kids.
I am the beneficiary of that fictional trust.
You know what? I am not as mean as I would like to be. And I really wish people appreciated that more.
There it is.
The actions of this piece of paper right here is hereby put on verbal notice with the
clerk of
this court.
If you did not think he was a sovereign citizen, the fictional trust, here it is, right here. This is fucking it. Like when the FBI say, "What evidence do you have that he is a sovereign citizen?" And I was like, "Listen to him." The rhetoric, like most sovereign citizens will never admit that they're sovereign citizens. That's a fact. Only the Moors are really proud of that. But Ricky is like Moorish, even. Like it's esoteric, as Anthony calls it.
To which I am the beneficiary of that fictional trust.
There it is.
So
fictional
the
trust.
actions of this piece of paper right here is hereby put on verbal notice with the clerk of this court, and a continuing document will be followed up with the clerk. And I will proceed with the Central District under the Diversity of Citizenship Clause, and I will replace your jurisdiction.
See, he's playing it up for the camera. He always does that when he's lying and he's like his brain is like stuck on stupid because of all the meth he takes. It's like, that's not slander because we have proof that you're a weirdo tweaker, right? We have proof, so it's not slander. So he's going to turn around and say that I am with no proof. Oh, well, you listen to drum and bass, so that makes you fucking tweaker. Nah, man, it makes me a fucking stoner, bro.
And it must be taken over because this court does not have authority to decide its own jurisdiction in any jurisdictional matter.
Secret trust fund. That's not sovereign citizen behavior at all.
I'm almost done. Okay, no problem.
So, with that pointless statement and a promise to bombard the court with nonsense paperwork, he quietly leaves with his notice to reappear on the 7th of July. So, just under a month as I record this audio.
Try to understand it. Test yourself. Bridge yourself. Find test books out there. There's free flashcards. There's all kinds of legal.
Gee, well, you know what? I'm tired of your presence. Dismissed.
Material that you can get your hands on through the internet. And if you applied yourself, you could find the ratio dissidentity with this legal reasoning.
Sorry, I farted.
That is one big pile of shit.
And figure out and see exactly what it is that they're doing to us all and getting away with.
You know you're powerful when your enemies recruit to destroy you. You keep telling me I ain't nothing. If I'm not nothing, fight me by yourself. But the fact that you had to call my ex, my next, and everybody else to fight me shows me that you thought I was something I did. Do you know your enemies will tell you who you are?
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
It ain't over yet, motherfuckers. Got me fucked. You can't, I dare you to call me a vexatious litigant.
Who is this person who speaks to me as though I needed his advice?
Vexatious litigant.
I have a valid standing argument.
Sorry, I farted.
I can't believe I did that. I am so stupid. I don't know what I was thinking. There was doo-doo, feces thrown all over the walls, the floor, the ceiling, and it stunk so bad.
Right? And I could tell right away who this guy was.
Here I am, here I am.
Good.
Well, how are you today, sir? Very well, I say, sir. Run away, run away.
Did you know that I can see you? I don't give a fuck what you are doing in your life, because I'm too busy doing what the fuck I'm doing in my life.
I just wanted to go over a few things here. Since the last video, our weirdo stalker dude has filed more motions in the court. This is just since 10/10. This is the last time we covered it, right? 10/10, all that was covered. We went down that list. This is what he's done since. Wow. 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 This was filed by the city, letting him know that he owes them money if he continues to keep going on. All these motions, you know, I've had 3 lawsuits. I don't believe there's ever been more than 2 or 3 motions ever filed.
Not up in here! Oh.
I could be wrong. I don't know. I haven't been in front of a judge in 25 years.
Media into his mom's VCR. Don't worry about it.
Free.
He got me a store. Ramable's always
Ricky, you can't do what I do. Defending myself like this fucking clown has been. So he's in court right now. 11:05, 9:30 a.m. Pleading his case for the bicycle, getting run over by the bicycle, or dropping his phone is what I think happened. And he's trying to blame, oh, my elbow, my arm, see my arm, I can only raise it this far. So anyways, some more information that I wanted to cover was some vandalism that happened that I was unaware of until recently. Right? And I could tell right away who this guy was that's threatening to run me over if I crossed the street in North Highlands, a place I haven't lived since 1993. I was told not to share any of that information as it could compromise the case. It wasn't Ricky, it was one of Ricky's sewer rats. But Ricky has provided all 7 of my addresses online. Ah, cool, you're a neat person. Yeah, it's put my life in danger because Ricky's upset because he got called a sovereign citizen.
I don't see color. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't own that type of government property. I don't own that type of government property.
Okay, you must be one of the sovereign citizens.
You can't be a sovereign and a citizen in the same sentence.
Okay.
So, anyways, can anybody even hear me? Can you hear me? Is anybody watching? Nobody watches this channel anymore. This channel's been fucking reported to death because of Ricky Penzone. So let's look here at his case. All these little filings that he's made.
I feel like you're saying you get it, but you don't get it. It's cool. It's not cool. It is what it is. My God, this is so frustrating.
Proposed leave, proof of service, proof of service, proof of service, proof of service.
Oh, yeah. I know some of these words.
Oh my God, what a nightmare. What a nightmare. No wonder no...
Ew, this is so cringe. Guilty.
Nobody wants to take the case. You're worthless. It would be years before...
Yes! Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on! Yes!
You could get any information out of it or get any money out of this guy.
And he told me something I will never forget. He said... Shit, I forgot what he said. But he basically, what he was getting at was...
But he has money to file all these frivolous, vexatious litigant bullshit.
I am sick. I
I am sick of your shit. And when I'm not sick, I'm tired. I am sick and tired.
I mean, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
You better think about what you're saying. You better think about the consequences of your actions. You better think.
Look at this. This is fucking ridiculous, man.
So this is the divine intervention. You could become a spiritual guru on your own, but you just have to tie your shoes, and you just have to know how to eat burritos backwards.
This is fucking ridiculous. If you were correct in any way, you wouldn't have to file all that.
I don't think he did it. But you know what? Even if he did do it, you know what I mean?
You just like fucking wasting people's time and using the courts as a threat, like the typical sovereign citizen that you are.
He been born, I want to say he was born that way. Also, he could have been hit by a vehicle. I don't know what happened to him. He had autism or something.
I mean, we went over that in this past video. I'm going to go to this video because apparently Ricky is bragging that he got a traffic ticket dismissed. So let's watch this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you've been here before. You know, it's legal now, so you can go. It's dismissed.
Gazi Fagazi, it's a wazi, it's a woozy, it's a fairy dust. It doesn't exist. It's never landed. It is no matter. It's not on the elemental chart. It's not fucking real, right?
Yeah, I know, but I still have.
Oh, yeah. So it's dismissed. It's legal. Duh. Well, you won. That was the last case you won. This, again, he's recording inside the courtroom. Illegal. You notice he doesn't do that shit anymore.
The real question is this. Was all this legal? Absolutely fucking not.
Not doing it for this. I mean, you're not doing it for this case, are you, Ricky? No, you're not doing it for that. Huh, I wonder why. Is it because maybe,
I ought to fucking hate your pathetic ass for all the bullshit you made me deal with. The shit you put me through is so fucked up, I wouldn't even wish that on my worst fucking enemy. You act like you've never fucked up in your life, but you're just a selfish, inconsiderate asshole who doesn't give a single fuck about anyone but yourself. We both fucking know I'm never gonna get the apology I fucking deserve from your sorry ass. And you know what? I don't need your pathetic fucking apology, and I'm done wasting my fucking time and energy on your bullshit. I owe it to myself to get my shit together, move the fuck on, and leave your toxic ass bullshit behind where it belongs, in the garbage with the rest of the crap I don't need. I'm done with your bullshit, wiping my hands clean of all of it, and moving the fuck on. You can sit there drowning in your own selfish, narcissistic crap while I leave your sorry ass behind. I'm leaving your dumb ass in the past and moving fucking forward where you're nothing but a forgotten shitty memory.
Oh, what was that one video? Yeah, this video right here. Is it because of that video? Maybe you learned at some point? The one that Van Balian did on you? But yeah, here he is recording inside the courtroom. He's getting his marijuana ticket dismissed. Let's also look at when marijuana was legalized in California and look at the date on that video. So, marijuana, Proposition 64, November 8th, 2016. And when did this video take place? Let's see. Oh, February 1st, 2017. So the voters of California got you off on a ticket. Wow. And you're proud of yourself for beating that ticket, huh? Wow.
Ticket, and I still have a promise to appear.
Yeah, you did the right thing. I'm just saying you can go now.
Yes, I do.
Right, you can go. You're done.
Well, I kind of find a problem with that because my property was confiscated and I would like my property back.
What happened?
I won.
It's legal now.
I understand that, but my property was confiscated by Officer Ballerini. I would like my property back. It was confiscated without due process.
Go to the police station and ask them about it. It's legal now. I don't have your property here and I can't do anything about it.
Is there any way you can order or issue a release of my property at that police station?
I don't release the property here. That's usually done by a prosecuting agency. It's legal now. You'll have to go to the police department there.
All right, thank
And you can ask them how you go. It's legal now.
Yeah. Once again, let's go back and look. It was legalized. So you beat the charges. You're so proud of yourself. Oh, it's hilarious. It's not hilarious. It's a waste of time. You're a douche. You're a douche, Mr. Snaggletooth. Well, anyways, today's one of those days I don't feel very good. He's gonna strike it down because he's a whiny little bitch. He puts his stupid shit out there on the internet and thinks nobody's gonna touch it. So anyways, yeah. Yeah, don't get served, biatch.
You remove yourself from shit that just doesn't work for you. I'm just not negative, right? So if you are a cloud in some way, shape, or form, or if you present some type of dark energy, well, I'm not around it. I don't need to announce it. I'll go over there.
Don't get served, you little whiny little biatch. Does that violate your privacy on a public website? No, maybe you should file another fucking complaint, you fucking whiny little crybaby bitch. Fuck you.
Homophobia is a massive pet peeve of mine because it doesn't fucking affect you. Who somebody else loves has nothing to do with you. And it is always the ugliest fucking dude who's the most homophobic, isn't it? The most toothless motherfucker from Corpus Christi. To be on some, I'm not with that gay shit. They're not with you either, bro. Have you met a gay guy? They're handsome. They're in good shape. They can fuck your girl so fast, okay? Be thankful they took a competitor off the board. I hate it so much, man.
Oh, you want to play? All right, let's fucking go. You think you're slick pulling your bullshit stunts like you're the king of this fucking playground? Nah, bitch, you're still playing in the kiddie pool, and I'm about to drag your ass into the deep end. Keep pushing my fucking buttons, and I'll show you exactly how this fucking game is really played. I'm not the one to fucking test. Trust me on that. I'll take your weak ass and raise you a whole level of petty, savage, and straight up zero fucks given energy. You're out here playing checkers while I'm out here playing motherfucking chess, and trust me, I've already got your sorry ass in checkmate. I'm not just playing for fun, I'm playing to fucking win. And when I'm done, you'll wish you never even stepped up to the fucking board. So go ahead, keep playing your little games. I'll be right here, waiting to remind you why you should never, ever fuck with someone who's not afraid to burn the whole damn house down. You want to see how the real players move? Buckle up, motherfucker. When I'm done, you'll be too scared to even roll the fucking dice again.